My name is Bomsho. You're welcome to my it's Bomsho Television. Musha ziri kupisa. If you are new here, don't forget to channel. Tinokupedza nguva yenyu isikade kurebesa. Kana wanakirwa nezvatinenge yatinokanda, please kusubscribe nekulike so nekushare nekucomment pamavideos. Saka nyaya, let's get into each story of today. Sangana inayo.
Lost my job, I got a bad name in the city. I ended up in the streets, and then my mother died 2003. I went to South Africa, and I've been to South Africa before. I told you doing the apprenticeship. So I went to South Africa. I got work there. No, in 2003 I got no work there. I hang around the streets looking for work, whatever. I ended up coming home, and my mother died. 2003 my mother died. Then one of her relatives asked me to go back to South Africa. Okay. I went back there. I went into a rehabilitation center for 5 years in Rosettenville. There I was treated for schizophrenia, even though it's not a problem. But I was there for 8 years, and then they said, we can't help you any longer, you have to leave. I lived in the streets in Johannesburg for a number of years. I had friends there.
You were teaching?
No, I lived in the streets.
Okay.
I lived in the streets in Johannesburg for a number of years. I got threatened by a lot of people. That's why I'm very harsh to strangers. I don't talk very nicely with them. Johannesburg, they pull knives on you, guns, all kinds of stuff. They rob you for money. But anyway, I made a couple of friends here and there. The churches always help you out. I met a guy, Pastor Graham. I lived in his house.
So right now, how are you living?
So, hang on. So now, when the lockdown came, I was stuck in South Africa. The president
during lockdown?
The lockdown. When the lockdown came 2 years ago, I was stuck there. The president said, those wishing to go home can go home now. He gave us 1 week. I had to start to walk. I walked from Johannesburg across the border. I crossed into Zimbabwe, my homeland. I crossed the river. I didn't go through the border post. I crossed the river. When I got over the river by Bite Bridge, I came to 1 battalion army base. It took me. They say, where you come from? I say, I come from over the river. So they take me back to Bite Bridge. At that time in the lockdown, there was a quarantine area, which was a hotel. They took me to the hotel. They spoke to me there. The nurse said, I can help you. They took the blood first of all. Then they brought me here to the Polytechnic, where I was held for the 21 days quarantine. Ended up in Spencer House, which is Churchill. It's a boarding house. It's a Churchill boarding house. And then I was released.
Where was the Churchill house?
No, it was called Spencer House. It was part of Churchill School. It's somewhere by KG6 barracks behind. Anyway, so then they stick a thing up your nose, and I was clean. So then after the 21 days, they let me go. So now, when I come out here, the first thing I try and do is they say, "Oh, we get you a place to live." They take me to Marandera to Marching Christian Church, old age home. Then I'm there. The victor says to me, you know, you're too young. I take men over 65 here. I said, look, I'm just here for temporary. He said, no, they placed you here. I said, well, look, I'm not going to stay here. I've got to go and find my father. I've got to find my mother's dead. But I want to find my father. I want to get my money. I want to find out. Okay, look, I've been here 2 years. My main problem, money can't buy much. My main problem is food. But after 10 years being in the streets, I can't eat normal food. My stomach has gone bad.
So this is the 10th year now roaming in the streets?
It's about 11 years now. I've been in the streets. From Johannesburg and Johannesburg. Yeah, I've been 2 years. 2 years from this place. I came back here in July 2001. No, 2021. I came back here to 22. So 2020 I've been here 2 years. In this street alone. I've made one friend. Some people, they don't want me here, obviously, I'm a hobo. That's why I used to sleep here in the lockdown. Here, I make a fire here in the morning. But now it becomes too dangerous for the school children. So now I climb in this tree, no one say anything. I've been sitting in this tree now for 1 year. I sit in the tree. Sometimes at night, I go sleep inside the bush there. It becomes too dangerous here. Now, my problem, I go to the Presbyterian Church in Highlands. But they say you can only find help here on Sunday. So I only go there on Sunday, I get some pancake and coffee. Okay, which is not a problem. I'm willing to live. People stop and give me money, I go into town, I buy Easter porridge, I live on Easter porridge. But what I want to do now, I realized after 2 years, 1 year, I got my papers, you saw my papers. When I went to Cuba, like I told you, after that, I went to Cuba, I met that man, he gave me a job, but they don't use money there, they need a phone, they need my papers. So I had to come back here. I stayed there 2 months, I come back here, I get the papers, I get the phone. Now I want to go back to Cuba. But before I want to go back to Cuba, I need a pair of boots because I can't catch the bus. I'm going to start hitchhiking. These people. This is about the third pair of shoes these people in this district have given, but they're not good shoes. You can see they can't walk all the way to Cuba. I need a pair of decent army boots, decent army boots. Then I can start walking to Cuba. I know if I get there this time. Last time it was a lockdown. There was no work, but that guy, he helped me 1 month guarding one property. Because I'm a guard, I've done guarding before. But yeah, there's not decent, I have plenty of guards that don't use me. But if I get up here now, when there's no lockdown, I can get a job. Even there's a ferry goes to Murungu. I can get to work on that ferry. I can get kind of work there, but I've got to get there. I'm not going to catch the bus. If I catch the bus, they're going to put someone to follow me.
Which type of job are you looking for?
I'm a security, but I'm not. I've got no papers, but I'm qualified to do security work.
Security personnel.
Yeah.